At this point right now, I need to stop eating. But if I stop eating, I'm going to be hungry. And I'm so fat now. I can only be eating with 5 meats. It's good to have money. Oh.
Hey guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be making crunchy milky chinchin. So I want to take you guys to the process. I have my whisk and my measurement cup. So let's go. And don't forget to try it after watching. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so. Like, comment, and share. Bye. See you.
We are speaking tongue.
So guys, here are my ingredients. I have my powdered milk. I have my all-purpose flour. I have my nutmeg. I have my margarine. I have my vanilla extract for that extra flavor. I have my baking powder. And I have my sugar. I know you'll be wondering where is my egg. Anyway, my chicken is still in label. I do hope it delivers before it gets to its turn to be used. So I used 3 cups of flour in making of this our chinchin, and I added 1 cup of powdered milk. Like I said, this chinchin is milky crunchy chinchin. So if you get to see lots of milk in this video, just be aware that you are making milky chinchin. All right, so I'm trying to add all my dry ingredients together, just like I'm doing. I've added the all-purpose flour, milk, and my sugar. All right, so here I'm adding my baking powder. I use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I also use 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. You need to be generous with your ingredients if you want to have that rich flavor, tasty, crunchy chinchin. All right, don't be stingy with your ingredients, or else it will not give you what it is supposed to give. All right, so at this junction, my chicken is about to deliver, and as the mother, I got to get my baby. So I used 2 eggs for this our chinchin because, like I said, you need to be extra. You need to be generous with your ingredients. So I'm mixing all my wet ingredients now. I'm beating my egg. You need to whisk your egg very well so you have this consistency you're seeing on your screen. After that, I added my vanilla extract. Like I said, I'm mixing all my wet ingredients together. I added 1 tablespoon of my vanilla extract. I also added my evaporated milk. This is milky chinchin. So don't come and tell me the milk is too much, this and that. The name is milky crunchy chinchin. All right, you need to beat everything together and mix it with your dry ingredient. But at this junction, I want to incorporate all the dry ingredients very well before introducing my wet ingredients. So this is me pouring all my wet ingredients out from my phone. We are extra in this video. So my babies, if you are still watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right, so I added my margarine. I added, it is not up to 1 cup. I think this is just half cup. I can't really tell. I didn't measure it, but I know it's not up to 1 cup. All right, you need to, my sister told me that your chinchin dough doesn't need to be smooth. It should be roughly handled, just like you're seeing. So after mixing everything together, I put it inside my fridge because I want both the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients to jam head together, so I'll have one taste of my chinchin. I don't want any ingredient to be one-sided. One will be tasting nutmeg, the other one will be tasting egg. I want everything to jam head together. Right, so I put it inside my fridge for 20 minutes, and After 20 minutes, I brought it out. I divided my dough so I can roll it out to my desired shape, because I can't roll out everything. My board is small for it. So you just have to roll your chinchin and cut it to your desired shape. Like you're seeing on this screen, this is the desired shape I want. I'm giving it that style. We are extra, all right? So I think it was during when I was cutting this thing that I remember that I've not heat up my oil. You need to heat up your oil. Your oil should not be too high or too low. If not, your chinchin will be soggy. And if it is too high, your chinchin will get burnt, all right? It should be on low medium heat, so you can get that crunchy chinchin and soft inside, okay? So after cutting my chinchin, like you're seeing, I had to like go heat up my oil. And please make sure you are using a good oil. Using anyhow oil while frying your chinchin is not good, because cholesterol is real, and I don't know, and I don't think you want that. So I'm just introducing my oil from my phone. We are extra. This chinchin, we are extra. If you have a taste, oh my god, you are going to come back for more. And please don't forget to try out this recipe. You're going to have the best, because it is giving what it is supposed to give, okay? So my oil is already hot, but I made sure that I put it on a low medium heat, because I don't want to have that burnt stone chinchin like they used to sell out there. No, okay? And this is your fine girl doing her thing. And what is cooking without dancing the dance? You don't know how to dance. Anyway, just create your unhappiness, okay? So our chinchin is ready. Once your chinchin has turned golden brown, just scoop it out, because it will still be cooking even while it is out from the oil. That's why you don't necessarily need it to be too much golden brown inside your oil. If not, you are going to get a burnt chinchin, okay? So my babies, our chinchin is ready. It is crunchy and also soft inside. Don't forget to try it out. And please, if you're my first time viewer, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to click the subscription button, comment, like, and share, okay? My returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. We're introducing our chinchin using my hand. This video is extra because the owner is extra. And please guys, I just want to tell you that I'm running editing class. So if you're interested in upgrading your editing skills, send a DM or use the number on your screen to send us a message. Thank you, and see you guys later. Bye.
Brother, ihe na-arụ ka ego si abịa. Why you can de pokoro chokoro pum. Pokoro chokoro pum. Why you can de pokoro chokoro pum. Ta! Nke ka ị na-achụ, ọ mụnwa na-achụ ego, hustle.com, nigga.